Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm just going to show you a quick breakdown of some trades that I've took during the week. Yesterday was Eid in the UK and worldwide, so I just want to wish all my followers a massive Eid Mubarak. I hope you had a great day. Let's go ahead and break it down for you. So yesterday I was trading the USD pairs, and remember I always say if you're trading USD you need to look at the DXY, the dollar index. So as you can see at 1 o'clock yesterday, CPI news came out and it shot up from one level to another. This is why I always say on H4 the price will always move from one level to another. So it was at support, and I knew once it was rejecting support once, twice, potentially three times, it's going to go to this level. And look at that, within an hour, 1 o'clock yesterday, news came out and a shot up. So we know this move here, we're going to capitalize on that. So if it's going up, the USD pairs are going down. And if I show you on GBPUSD a trade that I took, which is this one here, remember it's negatively correlated to the DXY to the GBPUSD pairs or EURJPY. So this pair, it's going up, the DXY is going up. So we know the USD pairs are going down. So at 1 o'clock when this went up, GBPUSD was here. I entered on this candle here because I knew it was rejecting the H4 and the H1 level. As you can see, it's formed a double top formation, and also if you look at the candle as well, there's it's kind of bearish now and it's engulfed the previous one. So what I did was I liked this candle on H1, and then because of the candle, it was 1 o'clock CPI news is coming out, M15 time frame. I then went ahead and entered on this candle here. You can draw that reference line if you want to, but this is where I entered, just there. My stop loss was, if I show you on the H1, my stop loss was 15 pips and my risk to reward was 116 pips. So the risk to reward ratio was 7.6, let's just say 7. And in an hour or two, I knew price would go from one level to another. So this would have been my initial TP, but because price literally plummeted, this would have been second TP, minus 61. But then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to increase it to this H4 level. And I ended up making 116 pips. So if you've got a £100,000 account and you're trading £10 a pip, that's £11,600 made within the space of 2-3 hours, and I was risking £1,500 to win that with a risk to reward ratio of 7. So yeah, I hope you can see the power of Forex. And you know, I'm not trading every day, every single minute. I'm trading a H1 setup and I'm breaking it down in an M15 time frame. So that's how I made £11,600 on GBPUSD. And EJ I also took a trade on. It wasn't a good setup, to be honest. As you can see, I drew my levels 100 to 0%, and because price then retraced to the 61 fib, I thought price could potentially reverse, and it did. Obviously I only trade levels, so I only trade near these levels, but because it was in the middle and price retraced, I went into the M15 time frame and I entered here on this candle. And price, obviously with the CPI news as well at 1 o'clock, it could have went either way, but thankfully it went in my direction. And as you can see, yesterday I also made 37 pips, risking 6 pips. So that's a risk to reward ratio of 5.7, let's just say 5. So I was risking £650 to make £3,700 on a £100 account. And as you can see, once price did break through this support, you know it's going to minus 61, and it has done that exactly. So this is a power technique analysis, guys. You can predict where the market is going. So once it breached this level, it went to minus 61. So I could have had this as a TP2, but I was happy with that, and I got out the market. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that EJ trade and GBP. I also took a trade on USDCAD. H1, I got my levels 100% to 0. So remember, I always do this. I did this in a video on the weekend, on the day before. This would be 100 to 0. Remember, if the price is here, we're looking for sells to go down. If prices here, we're looking for buys to go up to this level. And as you can see, CPI news came out at 1 o'clock yesterday as well, and I entered. I could see this candlestick on the H1 and H4 level, so then I went to the M15 time frame and entered on that candle there. Perfect entry with a stop loss of 4.5 pips and a TP of 40 pips. Risk to reward ratio is 8.9. So if I go into M15, that's how I got a really good stop loss, a very small stop loss of 4.5, just say 5 pips. So that's the benefit of going down onto M15, breaking it down further. And then yeah, this, as you can see, price completely shot up. I had my TP here, and within an hour I hit 40 pips. I could have had TP2 here, I could have literally made 70, but I wasn't on the charts, you see. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that session. As you can see, I made 116 pips on GBPUSD. I made 40 pips on EJ, and I made 40 pips on USDCAD. That's 196 pips in one day. That's 200 pips. That's just under £20,000 made in one day, in this couple of hours, trading £10 a pip on £100,000 account. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Like, share and subscribe.